How are you? This is a really simple sentence, but it is a question. So we're going to look at both different ways to ask the question and different ways to answer the question. Firstly, how to ask, how are you? Kei te pēhea koe. Kei te pēhea koe. E pēhea ana koe. E pēhea ana koe. Now, sometimes in English, we ask people, are you all good? So someone might say to you, kei te pai koe? Kei te pai koe. Are you good? That is a very similar way to saying, how are you, with an inference that you are good. So I'm questioning, are you good? How are you? E pai ana koe. E pai ana koe. Kei te pai koe. And an even shorter way that someone might ask you is just simply, pēhea koe. Pēhea koe. Now, none of the grammar books will say that that's correct, but people might ask you that. Pēhea koe. Now, some ways that you can answer that are, kei te pai aho. Kei te pai aho. Or you could shorten it to, kei te pai. Kei te pai. You could also say, kei te ora aho. Kei te ora aho. Or just, kei te ora. Some people might even say, pai noa. You ask them, kei te pēhea koe, they will say, pai noa. All good. And another way you can say all is good, ka nui te pai, or ka nui te ora.